Welcome back, Star Travelers. I'm going to turn my mic down. It's a little loud. There we go. Uh, Welcome back to the real-time Lego build of set 75019. So far we got quite a bit of it built. In this video, it's probably going to be a short one. I believe it's just the handle and the middle legs, and then the remaining steps I believe are the skin of it. So let's get right to it, right? I know we'll be taking pictures, of course, just because that's what I have to do. Alright, let me find my pieces here. Let's see here. One of those and one of these right here. Okay. I thought I grabbed 4 of those. I'm losing my mind. Or did one roll off? Yeah, one rolled off. Just when I wasn't looking. Okay. I was wondering why there was only one left in the cup. Alright. Usually there's even numbers. Sometimes. Most times. This is the ATTE. The newer version. I do not have the older version. That's okay. Alright, let's see here. Let's flip this around. I don't want to pick it up by that yet. I mean, it shouldn't come apart, but try not to really pick too much up like that until I get it all put together. Alright, this goes up to the middle of it, like this. I gotta hold that piece up because, well, drop it down through. Oh, I did not take a picture of that. But, you know what I will do is this. I'll take a picture of this. And then I'll take a picture of this. Just because I'm jumping the gun here. And then I'll take a picture of where it goes in. That way everybody knows what I was doing with it. Okay, that's kind of cheating, but that's right. There's no rules in this. Let's see. Sorry, excuse me. Alright, get 2 of these out. 2 of these. Nope. Yep. 2 of those. Stick these in those. It is getting chilly outside. We've been having some pretty chilly nights lately here in Florida. In my squeaky chair. So keep the handle from falling down to the set. There we go. I'm going to take a picture of that real quick. There we go. Alright, next to the legs. Each leg is the same thing, so I'm going to try to build both of them at the same time. Sort of similar to the last set I did. But I am going to take step-by-step pictures, at least of the parts that people don't know about. Alright, those go somewhere else. Because they get built pretty much the same way the other ones got built. So, not everybody needs to see step by step of this part because I've already taken pictures of it. At least I believe I did. And if I didn't, well, people will get the idea. I'm learning that on my set reviews not to take so many pictures because it takes so long to optimize each picture. Okay, there they are over there. Everybody already knows what these look like on the previous pictures. Let's go down through. I'm trying to keep it like it shows in the picture, how it orientates it. So when people are looking at it, they can see the same. So they're not seeing, if you look down inside, you know, you'll see space through here and not space through there, but I try to keep them all the same. Just, that's how I am. Okay. Now this part of the set I will be taking pictures of. And since it's the same thing on both sides, I'll be doing both at the same time. Alright, let's see if I can find those pieces. There they are. And those, which are probably hiding on me, but yeah, they're right in front of me, of course. Here comes Mr. Cat. He just cannot stay out of the picture, I guess. He kind of comes over and hangs out with me. As long as you don't jump up on the table, we're fine. He did that in one video, about wrecked a whole set of mine. That's alright. I'm just glad he's not meowing like he normally does, because he does meow a lot. He's got a lot to say for a cat. Kind of makes me... Uh-oh. Stay over there, dude. If you could see him on picture, he's like right there. He's right there. He's about a foot away from my fingertip. As long as he stays there, I'm happy. But if he decides to want to come over here and get in the picture, I'm going to have a problem with him. Alright. Let me do this so everybody knows what I'm doing here. I'll tell you what. I'll take this picture and this picture together. That way, when I go to put these together, everybody knows what I did. Okay, they go together like that. Make sure all the pieces are through. Next one. It's through. Okay. I can do this because it shows that I've got two of them. There we go. Alright. Let me get these. Two of those. Two of these. This goes underneath. And this goes underneath. Alright. I believe those come into the picture later. Okay. This goes here. Now, because each one's different, I'm going to do one at a time here. Only because I know it's going to come up and bite me in the butt. I just have that strange feeling. But I have a... Let me see something here. Sorry to go back into the pictures. See, it didn't tell me two times, because one's opposite from the other. And I'm pretty sure... Yep. It's like flipped. And I'm just going to get confused if I try to do it like that. Or I might confuse someone if they're trying to follow along with their own pieces. But I'm going to pull the pieces out that I need. There's one cup I don't need anymore. Let's see. This goes on there. Yeah, that would have confused me quite a bit. And pull these out because I know I need them. And I'm going to get one of these. Two of these actually. I know I'm going to need another one. And the cat is looking at me like really odd, like trying to figure out what I'm doing, aren't you? Yeah, I talked to the cat too. I mean, why not, you know? Keeps me company out back. Okay, picture time. Took a picture of the cat. What the heck? No, that's a good picture. Alright. I kind of got to get in the picture here. Okay. Once I do this on one of them, then I'll be able to put the camera back down and get back to work. Okay, 2 of these. I'm just going to go ahead and put these parts together without taking pictures of them. There we go, and then 2 of those. And again, it mirrors the same thing. Alright, take a picture of that real quick. There we go. Now we take one of these feet. Clip it on there like this. Come on now. There we go. It shows it just like that in the picture, I believe. Yep. It's kind of wobbly, ain't it? Oh well. It does, you'll see. It stays up, no problems. Alright, that goes there. And this goes like that. And I'll put this that came out nice. Just for the heck of it, I'll take a picture like this. It doesn't want to cooperate with me, so I'll do this. The art of trying to get something to sit still for you while you're taking a picture of it. Yeah, I always get shaky when I try to do delicate things. I ain't really quite figured out why that happens with my body, but it does. Okay, this clips into there when it wants to. There we go. There's one side. And I'll take a picture of that. Actual picture, and then actual picture of the model. How it goes on there. And a real in-depth picture of how it connects. Nice. Now I don't want to take a picture for the other side because we all get the picture. Ha! Get it? Okay. Yeah, I'm not the funniest person in the world, but it's okay. Alright. Put these together. Goes pretty quick like this, huh? I don't have to take pictures. Okay, these 2 I know, and these 2 I know are going in there. Like that. This goes on there. And the remaining one of these snaps right in. Last one of these And remember, all these videos you see on my site are also on YouTube. So anytime you want to view them, you can go on YouTube as well. Alright, time to get one of these. Snap that on. And put this on. So that way I can check out any place you want to on YouTube. So are the rest of the sets that I've videoed for my Vader's New Empire site. Okay, I really don't need to take a picture of that, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this so everybody gets the hint of what is just taking place. It's a big picture. Get a close up here. There we go. Alright. Next is a one of the side pieces. And this I have to take pictures of. At least one of them. That way everybody gets the idea. Alright. Of course these pieces are hiding back here. Well, I hope I have more than 3. I think there's 4. Yep. That's the unbenefit of this table. I can't find everything because this model is big and it hides things. Okay, but oh, see, these things pop off left and right. I guess there's no real way of keeping them in there. Okay, put those there. Alright, here we go. Where was I? Alright, back to this. And like I said, I'm just going to take pictures of each page at this point because everybody will get the idea. And then I won't have to take a picture of each of these sides. And I'll try not to make the videos like this when I'm taking pictures, though. You know, it's just because I didn't take any pictures of this set. So you're actually seeing me develop my review page while doing the live build, so it's kind of interesting. That way you can see what goes into actually setting up a review at the same time of watching this, which I don't know, I think it'd be kind of educational for people that don't make their own websites and just want to sit back and learn what takes place to do all that. Okay, let me not block everything off here. So this is not probably one of the most exciting videos to watch, but I try to do what I can. Okay, some of these, let's see, and these are going to be, okay, I got to remember what's going where. These are the back pieces. One's the front piece, one's the back piece. So one gets one of these and one gets one of these. I'm not sure if you can see that on video because my computer just went to sleep. That's off camera. Okay, one of these is going to get one of these. If you notice, the decals are different. This one goes on the front, this one goes in the back. Like I said, the non-benefits of pre-shooting a video. Okay, this is going to go in the front, so get this on there. It's going in the front, so this piece is going to go here. And then this goes like this. I had to move the camera at the last second or I wasn't going to get the whole thing in frame. And I don't really like doing that because sometimes it makes things go out of focus. Was that the only piece that went on? Yeah. Okay, and then I'll flip it over. I really don't need to take a picture of that. Let's see. This goes here. It goes like that. And it tells me to do that twice, which I will, but it's just going to be had I thought about it, I would have built two of them at the same time, but I wasn't thinking. Alright, put that aside. We'll leave this piece for the next part that actually goes on the back. I don't want to take pictures, so this will go fairly quick. And the model itself is getting done pretty quick this way too. Like I said, it's mostly just at this point more or less skin that goes on it. There's a big gun that goes on top, and there's some other little flick fire missiles that go into it, and that's basically the whole model. Everything's recording. I'm at 21 minutes. I haven't looked back to these videos yet, other than to make sure the sound and video synced up good, which I'm happy to say everything worked pretty good so far. I don't have to go back and redo any of them. So if I had to do that, then I wouldn't be making this video right now. I'd be pulling my hair out trying to figure out what went wrong again, because that's my biggest fear. I'm still not really sure why it did what it did. I think it's because I had so many videos in the program, and I think that's why it messed up the way it did. And I deleted quite a few videos, like over 100 of them, just so my program wouldn't be so bogged down with video memory. I'm working off such an old computer, and one of these things it's going to look at me and say, I don't think so, which would be a bad day. Let's see. Okay, that goes there. And then one of these right there. Okay, there's the second one. Now I'll just stick these on. I'm gonna do it like it shows, so everybody can see. Okay, this goes here. You know, the more I look at it, I think I was right. I don't really know what happened at the beginning of the set, and I'm not sure why I switched them. Because I mean, it looks, this doesn't fold in now because of, oh yeah, it does. Okay, I get it. Yeah, that would be correct, I guess. I'm gonna double check just in case. Bear with me. Yeah, those pieces are right, just like that. Okay, I'm just so used to the way I had it before, which had it so this would go this way as well, and I didn't do that on this one. I actually did it the right way, and now that would make it fit together better. I'm hoping. We'll see when I put it together. Picture time. Okay, I'll flip it around for the other picture, and then I don't want to take no pictures for a while. It kind of made sense the other way though, because it just went together better. I can't explain it. It just went, I don't know. We'll see. I'm gonna get a top-down shot of it. Sorry if my head gets in the way of the picture. Oh, about pulled my headphones right out of my ears and out of the computer. Okay, I can put that camera away for a few minutes and get back to building. You can see it's a pretty sturdy model. You can throw it around pretty much. Never seen the drop test of that, but I'm pretty sure it probably pops apart pretty easily. Okay. There we go. Losing my mind again where pieces are. Trying to make sure I get this in the right order, just so I don't mess up. Nothing worse than having to go back and redo something because you messed up. Okay, there are two of these, so I'm going to just go ahead and build the other one while I'm at it. So cuts down on time, because we are looking at 26 minutes so far in this video. I really don't want it to turn into an hour-long video. It's so much easier to render the video on YouTube when it's not so long. Okay, there's those. That's where the parts and pieces are going to go quick, which is good because it's getting cold outside. And just show you how quick this takes to build if I'm not taking pictures every 5 minutes. Now I'm kind of speeding it. Speed demon build here. Not extremely fast, but a lot faster than taking pictures. And the back and the wings and everything are pretty much the same, so putting them together is like, if you can remember everything from the previous steps, and this is the easy part. But I am looking at what I'm doing just in case, because I don't want to mess up, you know, and I just don't want to go too fast and mess up. Alright, this goes like that. Oh, no, see, I'm messing up. Speed demon it is not the best thing to do. Okay, I was wondering why that was so flimsy. Okay, that I'm getting hungry. Kind of want to go in and eat. There we go. Yeah, I'm probably not going in exact order here, but okay, one's the back, one's the front. I'll make this one the front, this one the back. Okay, that's going together quick. Flip it over. Two of these. And there, one there. Flip it back over. You can see how quick it takes once you get the idea down, which is always handy. And I hope I'm not covering up the set with my big hands when I'm putting it together, but you can see pretty much what's going on, you know. So I'm not too worried about it. Okay, pull those off to the side. I'm pretty sure they get put onto the model next. Yep. Okay, that's the back side. I'll put the front side on. They just pop right down there on the blue pins, and then fold like that. Flip it around, pop this down on the blue pin, fold it over like that. Now I can put the little insignia on each wing. I wish I remembered that when I was putting it together. And what goes on there? Huh? There it is. It's funny, I was looking at something completely different. I was looking at that part in the video. I mean on the... Never mind. It's just the way my brain works. Okay, pull this into... Okay, I'm going to move some pieces out of the way because pieces are getting fewer and fewer. That little tool kills me. Alright, so we're moving things live here. Could have waited, but I just want some things out of the picture so they're easily to get to. Ooh, what a catch. Okay, move these up out of the way. Alright, picture time for this. I gotta stand up. There we go. Take a picture of the book. And then I'll do this, because I do this with all of them. I try to take the isometric view of it in the same direction that the book shows. So isometric meaning angled. I guess that's what it means. Isometric view. I'll have to look that one up. Let's see. And I think this is gonna be, yep. Okay, next video is coming up real soon. I'm gonna take me a little breather, and thanks again for tuning in to see the real-time Lego build of set 75019. Next is the gun on top, and the back and the front skin, and the flick fire missiles inside, and then that's it, and the set's done. So thanks for watching again. Thanks for tuning in to VadersNewEmpire.com, and see you on the next video.